guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amari L. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, what's good? So today we're just gonna be doing a sleek ponytail. So first I'm just going to start off by spraying my hair down with some water. This is just the rose water, aloe vera juice, and my distilled water. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that down all over. Then after I spray that water, I'm gonna just go in with some of the island oil that I got from probably Dollar General or like the beauty supply store, who knows. So I'm just going with that all over my hair, just make sure it's nice and coated. And here you can just see me popping my locks, because when I wash my hair they do get married like crazy, and I haven't retwisted my hair in a while, so yeah. I'm just gonna figure out where I want my ponytail to be placed. So after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and just bring the hair maybe a couple strands at a time, because you want it to be sleek. You don't want to just grab a whole bunch of locks and then just put it in a ponytail, because then it's gonna look lumpy and whatnot. It's not gonna get that sleek look that we're going for. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab the locks a couple at a time and just put them in the ponytail where you need it placed. And once I've got my hair where I want it placed and all in the ponytail, I'm just going to use my satin scrunchie and loosely tie it. And as you can see, my edges and the rest of my flyaways are looking crazy, so we're just going to go ahead with some more water before we go in with our hair gel. So today we're going to be using the Arganol Eco Style Gel and just my bristle brush. I'm also going to use this kind of hair tie because it doesn't have as tight of a hold on my hair as the satin scrunchie does. So I start off by just rubbing the gel into my hands, so it's just not a bunch of globs just all over my hair. And then I just rub that around the perimeter and just make sure I coat my hair very nice and even. Here I'm just brushing my baby hair out so that I can go ahead and start brushing the rest of the hair back, but I do want to do some edges, so I am just going to brush that out for a little bit. So after my edges are all brushed out, I just went and made sure the rest of my hair is just smooth and neat before I go ahead and do my edges. So I'm using this Cream of Nature edge control. Don't know how well that's gonna hold. It actually, I don't know, it holds very nice when you lay it down, but when you just put it on there, it kind of does that little grease texture thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I am just gonna take some of that edge control and put it like basically the perimeter of my ponytail, and then just brush that back. To me it just gives a cleaner look instead of just having my edges being all clean and then like my ponytail sleek. To me it just gives the sleek look that you really need. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some swoop-de-doops with my edges. And I'm gonna just let y'all watch and enjoy, because I'm talking too much and my throat's still on fire, so. And now that my edges are done, I'm just going to go ahead and lay them down because you know your edges cannot be truly done if you have not laid them down. So go ahead and just lay them down and let them sit while I do the rest of whatever it is I got to do. And I'm also going to go ahead and change the hair tie that I have. This hair tie, I don't know why, but I love them. They don't, well, you don't have to make as many turns or whatnot to make sure you have a secure ponytail, and it's also not as tight on my head. So I just like to use these when I do my sleek ponytails. And we cannot forget to put on our satin scarf to make sure you lay that entire ponytail down so that the whole ponytail is just sleek and just looks so nice. I don't know what it is about like the satin scarf that just makes your hair just lay so flat and look so nice, but it does. And now it's time to take the scarf off. I just went ahead and did like my eyebrows, my mascara, and my lips and whatnot. And just look at that. Just nice, laid and flat. Can't tell me nothing. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. This is the style. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.